Right, we are in Sant'Eularia in Ibiza, and it's a special day today because it is the Ibiza Marathon. Today I am with a special friend of mine, and he is none other than Les.
Hey, how you doing,
mate? Are you all right?
Yeah, good to see you again, man.
So explain to these viewers why you are special when it comes to the Ibiza Marathon.
Well, the Ibiza Marathon started back in 2017, and that was also my first marathon ever. Then entered again. Well, basically, I'd retired from marathons after the first one.
Why was that?
Because I thought I'm only going to do one.
Right.
Then they emailed me with a discount code for the next year. So I entered again.
That old chestnut.
I've done the marathon 5 times, the 22k once, and today I'll be in the 12k, which will complete all 3 distances that are available in the event.
Not only your, was it the 5th or 7th run?
Well, it's me 7th run in Ibiza.
Yeah.
It's me, but I have done 15 marathons altogether.
But it's not only your 7th run here, but they've only did 7 runs here, so you've run every single one of them.
Yeah, so I've got a 100% attendance record.
Not only have you rocked up, but this guy's got an injury.
Yeah, I've got, now, excuse the tattoo if you support someone else, and also the tape got given to me by the physio of the British cycling team, so...
If you have a look at his leg, he's Irish, with... Go on, explain what that is.
Yeah, so that's the Union flag of Great Britain, and that's a Liverpool Football Club badge. That's why Dwayne Nolan doesn't let me on his channel.
Ah, is that right? So if you're familiar with the marathon, the Ibiza Marathon, you'll notice on his top, his badge is
blue because it was supposed to be in the marathon, which started 45 minutes ago, so...
Get a better move on it.
I mean, I'm pretty close to the finish line, so I could break the record if I just went down and crossed it now. But that'll be... I'm never going to beat the Kenyans. In fact, never going to beat anyone in a running race, but what we do, we come here as a group every year with the intention to do the race and then win the after party. That's the key one.
Right, okay.
That's where the real medals get given out.
How do you win the after party?
By being the last one on the dance floor.
Is it? Oh, right, I thought it got nothing to do with how many yerbas you've had.
Well, I mean, yerbas is Gatorade for clubbing, isn't it?
For those who are watching who don't know about this run, so I did the 12k last year, and basically what it is it starts from Sant'Eularia Port, and then it goes round onto the main strip in the centre of Sant'Eularia.
Yeah.
On that road. The road's all closed, obviously, and then you run all the way to Escanar. And it's when I found that out last year, obviously I've lived on the island for a few years, so I just thought, shit, that's quite far.
It is.
I know how far that is in a car. So, and then when you get to Escanar, you're pretty much halfway there.
You are, yeah. You drop down into Escanar, you've got to run past all the bars, and people are having their beers and having their dinner, and you can smell everybody's food. Then you're on the run for home.
Hopefully we'll get to catch you running through the finish line. Stay tuned, everyone, for the end when we catch Les running through the finish line. What's your prediction for the time? Or what do you want?
Ideally, at the minute, I just want to finish it. I tried running in the week and I was in a lot of pain.
Where's the pain coming from?
It's from my thigh injury, so there's a tear in there, according to my physio. She said, don't run, and I pretended.
And here we are, at the Ibiza Marathon.
There's a medal at the end of this, so I'm prepared to give it everything I've got to get that.
There's 3 different runs, isn't there, today?
There is.
There's the 12k,
Yeah, the 22 and the 42. So there is a backup plan if things don't go around.
Well, yeah. Not only that, but I think like when people think of a marathon, they just think, oh, I can't be bothered with that.
There's something for everyone at the Ibiza Marathon. There's 5,000 people across the free races today. It just shows how this event's grown since it first started. I think in the first marathon there was probably about 300 of us just. Now it's on 5,000. So it shows that the work that the team put in behind the scenes here to grow this event is clearly paying off. And I think with things starting to open a little bit earlier in Ibiza now, so there's more things open in April than I can ever remember. There's things going on like Pike's Open a weekend that people can go to, or a Café Del Mar's open and people can go watch the sunset and all that kind of stuff.
So you've planned on finishing what you said about 6:30.
Yeah, so
you're starting at 5:15.
Yeah, so an hour and 15.
It's an hour and 15.
So just over 6 minutes per kilometre.
So will you be happy if you do that, or will you want to try and beat that, or what?
I just want to finish, mate, to be honest with you. So and I just want it to be as painless as possible. Focus on finishing times. I'm never going to beat the Kenyans, let's be honest. Those guys are rapid. So for me, I always say it's the finish line, not the finish time. The reason that it says finisher on the front of a medal and the time goes on the back is because the time is secondary to the fact that you actually finished it.
They do a kids one as well, don't they?
They do, yeah, they do.
Like
yeah, I wouldn't win that either, to be honest. There's a thing people talk about, a runner's high.
Yeah.
I know we're in Ibiza and there's plenty of highs to be had here, but...
Right, well, I think we're going to end with that. We're going to let you get to the start line. Les, I wish you the very, very best.
Cheers.
And I hope you come exactly where you want to be.
Yeah. It'll be what it'll be. I just want to get my medal.
And I'll hopefully see you there at the finish line.
Yeah, I hope so.
And we'll catch you, hopefully with no injuries.
Yeah, no injuries, and we'll have a little yerbas to celebrate.
We will have a yerbas to celebrate. All the best, mate. Wait.
There you go.
See you in a bit.
Cheers.
So we're just walking down the, what do you call this? The promenade, the marina promenade. You've got the yachts over that side. And that was the starting point just down there. Now, this road right next to us here, as you can see, there's absolutely nobody on it. Nobody. And the reason there's nobody on it is because they haven't got that far yet. So Les is on his way all the way through Sant'Hilaria, and then he'll be going all the way up to Esquinar. Then they'll be turning around and they'll be making their way back down towards Sant'Hilaria, which is where I am. And then they'll be making the way down this, all the way down this. And this leads to the promenade next to the beach. And then it's a pretty spectacular ending to the race, actually, because you run right alongside the beach on the promenade, and there's speakers, there's a DJ going on, as Les mentioned earlier on. And then you cross the finish line, and it's an amazing feeling. I know that feeling when you cross that finish line. So fair play to him coming out, even though he's not doing the full one this year, which he would have liked to do to sort of keep up the running streak. Running streak. You can have that joke for free. This is where they come down. They come all the way down here. And then they go all the way round there to the finish line, which is all the way over there. It's a pretty cool finish line, isn't it? Doesn't get much better than that as a finish line, down past the beach. But what we're going to do is we're going to get an ice cream, I think. She's cheating, she's on a bike, isn't she?
filming?
Do you want to join in?
Am I on your vlog?
Yeah. So we're here with Charlotte. Are you not running today?
I'm not running today. I'm watching and supporting from the sidelines.
Sorry if I got ice cream all over my lips.
Are you feeling
I'm
today?
I'm trying to look at the state of this. We are at the finish line. It's all going off here.
Hay que hacer ruido. Que no entre nadie. Que no entre nadie. Una sonrisa en la cara. Vamos a aplaudir. Vamos a hacer ruido. Les McKee.
We're on our way to meet him.
España, del extranjero.
Just went through the finish line. Not sure if I'll catch him, but
Y es que nos aplauden desde dentro.
I don't know where he is. We're gonna have to walk a little bit further, I think. I think he might have kept going. I'm not sure whether he's walked on or he's probably kept going. He's probably just kept running to Hard Rock. Oh, we haven't managed to find him. I can't get in. It's all blocked off. Oh, are they letting people in there or not? Oh no, they're just letting people out. What we'll do is we'll go. I know that he's going to be collecting his medal, and then I think he's going to Donna Anna for a shot of yerbas. So we'll maybe meet him there and join him on that journey of yerbas. I reckon Les has probably beat us to Donna Anna. He's probably ran there. He probably didn't stop. He probably just like ran through the finish line. Everyone's like, no, you're finished. And he was like, no, I need to get to Donna Anna. He probably sprinted there from the finish line faster than he actually ran the race because he knows there's a yerbas there. There it is. So we'll see what happens when we turn on this corner, see if he's in there. There's runners still running past here. Right, so we're here with Les and he's completed it, so well done, mate.
Cheers.
How was that going? Tell us what happened.
Yeah, so there was three. You say there's always something that happens during a race. There was three things that happened there that were of note. So we got there about. We just got past Kevin and Perry's here, and I recognised the guy standing on the other side. It was none other than Tall Paul, but
oh, really?
famous DJ from Clockwork Orange,
Where was
amongst others. He was just stood over there.
Oh, right.
And I seen him, and I went, "Rock the house, big man," and he went, "Go on, my son." That's my best attempt at his accent, and that was good enough. I went, "Tall Paul wants me to complete
So is
this."
that why you were a few minutes late?
Well, you know, I was then playing the tune "Rock the House" in my head for the next 4 kilometres. Brilliant, what a tune.
No time to pout, let's turn it up.
So that was good, but then obviously I'm wearing the bib for the marathon, but I was only in the 12k.
Oh, right, so you got extra applause.
Yeah, there was like people shouting, "Well done, marathon man," and I'm thinking I've only ran 7k.
Did you tell them, or did you just
I
take in the credit?
No, I milked it. I absolutely milked it. The thing that got me the most was the look of shock on people's faces. They're like, "How's this fat lad running a 3-hour marathon?"
What was the leg like? Did the leg hold up?
Yeah, it held up actually. The one of the
Flew off, come off.
yeah, it flew off, so even my leg rejected the flag. So the guy behind me must have thinking, why is a Union Jack just fell out of that guy's shorts? But they did it in 1:20, which is not bad going on one leg. So I just wanted to get finished and get my medal. I've done that.
Let's have a look at the medal.
There we go. I went through, the girl saying I had the marathon bib on, she tried to give me a marathon medal.
Oh, did you?
But I turned,
so you took that?
No, I turned that one down. There's only so much milking you can do.
Yeah.
But I did turn that one down and got the medal that I deserved, which of course was the 12k. But as I was running back, I seen a few of my friends going the other way that were in the 22, so they're still out there, still going strong. So
I did try and catch it right at the end, but I couldn't get in. It was all like caged off, like fenced off. Sorry.
Yeah.
So I just came here. I knew you were coming here. I said you'd probably beat us here because you knew there was a shot waiting for you. Well, we'll see you at the end of the summer doing the other marathon here. Or?
You'll see me later in the summer because I'm just coming out with the wife for a few days, for a few days of partying.
Or maybe do another vlog of the other side of Les. So this is the healthy side of Les.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If you want to see me unhealthy, come to Pikes on a Saturday night when this guy plays. I'd say there'd be some funny dance moves tonight with the people that have ran a marathon, and then they're up there trying to throw a few shapes. So it should be a lot of fun. But I'm looking forward to it.
Well, it's a good end to a day, and congratulations, mate.
Thanks
Well
very
done.
much.
Bring it in. Well done, lad. Like and subscribe, I dare you.